At Lumacast, our journey began with a deep passion for design, with our mission being to craft functionally driven sculptural products that infuse your outdoor living spaces with warmth and ambiance. And we firmly believe that purposeful design and exceptional craftsmanship have the remarkable ability to unite people, creating those precious moments that are shared with loved ones, with friends, and family. Every Lumacast product is born from the creative minds of award-winning, architecturally trained designers. And that dedicated team of skilled craftspeople meticulously bring those designs to life, using only the finest materials to ensure that your investment stands the test of time as the perfect addition to your home. With exclusive patented designs, superior warmth, elevated ambiance, and all built to endure, Lumacast is the fire feature experience refined.